Where do you suppose I am? Yes, my favorite place. Well, one of my favorite places, at my mother's. Yes, I'm going to pick some weeds today. And I've got a whole honeydew list of things I got to do. I've got to go to the store later on. But before that, I'm just going to kind of show you around a little bit. You know, I'm not doing anything hard today. I'm just doing some small types of things that bothered her, things that she wanted to have clean, like this whole garbage area where her bins are. There was bird poop all around the top. She wanted all that cleaned off, and see, now I've got to sweep up and clean up all this kind of stuff. She just wants it all kind of kept up a little nicely, and there was bird poop on here. There was bird poop on here in quite a few different spots, and I got that off yesterday. And speaking of bird poop, where else was there bird poop? You know, on stucco, see how this stucco is smooth on the top, and it's textured. I mean, it's textured everywhere. You can have birds can just perch up here. Like, see up there, there's some bird poop right there. See, right there, because it was sitting up there. But let's look at an area here. Here's a nice little patio area. And see this? Look at this. I mean, all the way up there. There's no place for a bird to land. But they just grab onto the stucco, and they've been pooping on there. So I've got to clean all that stuff off.